Let's look closely at the timeline of the Great Depression, some of the causes and some of the effects. You will see on the whole timeline that it started in 1929 and ended in 1943. Let's look a little closer. So starting in October of 1929, the stock market started to drop. On Black Thursday, October 24th, it dropped 11%. Black Monday, it dropped another 13%. And then on the 29th, it dropped an additional 12%. And that day is known as Black Tuesday. Moving on to 1930. This is where the Tariff Act is signed into law, raising tariffs. So that means that any products that were coming in and going out of the country, there was a tax on them, and so it raised them. The biggest thing in 1932 is that the unemployment rate passes 20%. Unemployment means that you do not have a job. So in 1932, 20% of Americans did not have a job. They didn't have a job, that means that their families were struggling to put food on the table and to buy the things that they need in order to live. Later in 1932, Franklin D. Roosevelt became the president and he beat Herbert Hoover. And 1933 is when the unemployment rate dropped to the worst rate ever, which was nearly 25%. Keep going into March of 1933, and Franklin D. Roosevelt, FDR, he started to put in some new policies called the New Deal. Again, in 1935, he added to that, known to the Second New Deal, which brought in some new things like the Social Security Act in order to try to rebuild our country. In 1936, Roosevelt was reelected. In 1937, after a couple years of some economic growth, the economy hit another recession. So the economy, what that means is it started to do better, and then it kind of dropped and went into like another depression. In 1941 was when the United States entered World War II, and then at 1943, the number of unemployed Americans falls to under 1 million. So that's a little timeline about some of the major causes of what caused the Great Depression and kind of how long it lasts, and some of the important numbers as to help you understand how many people were affected by the Great Depression.